Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, children, now we will start the English class 5th. So, that is English. 5th class English. So, how many lessons we have completed, children, in the 5th class? So, that is 13 lessons. How many lessons? 13 lessons we have been completed. Yes or no? Yes. So, yesterday which lesson we have learned? That is day before yesterday and yesterday. Lesson number 13, the golden fish. సో ఆశ ఉండాలి కానీ అతి ఆశ ఉండొద్దు అని ఈ యొక్క లెసన్లో మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ సమ్మేటివ్ అండ్ ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్ వీ హ్యావ్ బీన్ కంప్లీటెడ్. ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ బీన్ కంప్లీటెడ్ గ్రామర్, దట్ ఈస్ adverb. So I given you homework, children. What is your wishes? And bit number 2 also I given for you. Yes or no? Yes. So bit number 2 if you are not completed, if it is time I will write in this class. So now we are going to the lesson number 14, that is we make a difference. We make a difference. So difference అంటే ఏంటిది? Is a kind of different things we make it. So that is mean by difference. So here it is also a poem. See here this is cooler, this is music, this is Makabutta crayon. The children's make a different things. He given a poem again here. In which grains of sand were to say. Grains ante vittanalu. So here first one is grain. So what she is saying, we'll listen. In each grain of sand were to say, one grain does not make a mountain, there would be no land. So here what here she is saying, a grain. First one is grain. So grain ante entidi vittanalu. So what the grain is saying here in the first poem? So first grain what she is saying, Harvish, one grain does not oka vittanam. So not make a mountain, it cannot make a mountain. Oka vittanam pedda mountain cheyalekapovachu, but there would be no land. So here if the grain is not there, there is no land. So one grain does not make a mountain, there would be no land. So here the grain says, next, in each drop of water were to say. Here again, in each drop of water to say, one drop does not make one ocean, one drop does not make a one big ocean, but there would be no sea. If the raindrops will be not there, there would be no ocean also, no sea. If each drop of water to say, each drop of water would say, one drop does not make an ocean. One drop will not make an ocean, but there would be no sea. If each note of music were to say, one note does not make a. So one does not make a. So one note does not make a symphony. So here what he is telling, one music, here he is telling one note does not make symphony. Next there would be no melody. There would be no melody. If each word we says, one word does not make a library. So here again each words, whatever we say, one word does not make a library, there would be no books. If each brick were to say, one brick does not make a wall, there would be no house. So ikkada I'll tell one water, a grain is telling water, mountain ni nenu cheyalenu kaani nenu lekunda land anedi undadu, alane water kuda alane cheptundi. Next symphony kuda, it is a melody. Music if the music starts, if symphony is not there, there is no melodious. Next, like that only bricks. If the brick says, each brick to says, if one brick does not make a wall, but there if the bricks are not there, there is no house. Next, if each seed were to say, one seed does not make a field, here grains, here seeds. So again a field. So one seed cannot say, but the one seed, if there does not make a field, there would be no harvesting. Polalu undavu. If each of us were to say one person does not make a differences, there would be never be love and peace on the earth. If each of us were to say, each of us, we say, one person does not make a differences between us, there would be no love, no peace on the earth. You and I do make the difference began today. So here what he is saying, if each were to say one person make a differences between them, there is no love and no peace on the earth. So here once you are seeing the pictures, see your pictures once. Chudandi pictures chudandi. It is a water drop, musician, it is in a box, crown, vitanalu, grains. So the children's, how they are making the differences. So he is telling, you and I do make the differences. You and I do the make difference. Okay. Began today and make the difference. Began today and make the difference. What were the differences are there? So once, twice I will repeat the poem for you. We make a differences. Difference. If each grain of sand were to say, if each grain of sand were to say, one grain does not make a mountain, there would be no land. One grain does not make a mountain, there would be no land. If each grain of sand were to say, one grain does not make a mountain, there would be no land. If each drop of water were to say, one drop does not make an ocean, there would be no sea. If each drop of water were to say, one drop does not make an ocean, there would be no sea. If each note of music were to say, one note does not make a symphony, there would be no melody. If each note of music were to say, one note does not make a symphony, there would be no melody. If each word were to say, one word does not make a library, there would be no books. If each word were to say, one word does not make a library, there would be no book. If each brick were to say, one brick does not make a wall, there would be no house. If each bricks were to say, one brick does not make a wall, there would be no house. If each seed were to say, one seed does not make a field, there would be no harvest. If each seed were to say, one seed does not make a field, there would be no harvest. If each of us were to say, if each of us were to say, one person does not make a difference, so there would be no love and peace on the earth. You and I do make the difference. Began today and make the difference. So this is a difference of the poem about the drop, water, grain, seed, music, melody, library, walls, house, harvest, field, peace on the earth. So here we have been completed the small poem. So here I will give for you small homework again. So lesson number 14. Draw the pictures and write the poem in your books. So this is your homework 67. So this is the page number 67. So here lesson number 14. You have to draw these pictures. You know, in the previous classes I used to give for you, draw the pictures, and this is a project work you think of and do it in your books, whatever you are using. Okay. So now we have been completed the lesson. So we will move to the summative and formative assessment. What here it's there. So here match the following: summative and formative assessment. It is a page number 68. So I will match the following. So I will match the following bit number 1. So here first one seed, second one notes, third one word, fourth one brick, fifth one sand. So for your understanding I am writing here. Will not understand. So this is the first one. So here again A, B, C, D, E, F. So here they are given 3. A1 is C, books, field, mountain, wall, symphony. Again here one more given: library, ocean, land, harvest, melody, house. So this we have to match now. Seed. What is mean by seed? In the lesson field. Field, yes or no? Next field name chesar harvest. So like this you have to match. Once look at C. First one seed nunchi seed ఎందుకు ఉంటుంది ఫీల్డ్ లో వేయడానికి, దాని తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తారు హార్వెస్ట్ చేస్తారు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. నోట్స్ మీన్స్ what is mean by notes? Yes, symphony. Next symphony belongs to melody. In the poem we have been learn. Word, books. Words means books. Next book it belongs to library. Very good. Bricks. What we will do bricks ni? Yes, walls. Wall becomes house. Very good. Sand, mountains. Again mountains goes to land. Next drops of water. Next it is going to the sea. It will go to the ocean. So it is a very easy. So for your explanation, మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి నేను ఇలా బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ పైన చేశాను. మీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా? యు ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్? ఈజీ ఓన్లీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంది, చూసుకోండి. ఫర్ దట్ ఓన్లీ ఐ గివెన్ ఏ బి అగైన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ రోట్ ఫర్ యూ అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ మ్యాచ్డ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ యూ. ఓకే. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ మూవింగ్ టు ద బిట్ నెంబర్ 2. అకార్డింగ్ టు ద పోయం విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈస్ ట్రూ? సో హియర్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద పోయం ఏది కరెక్ట్ ఏది రాంగ్? So first one, whatever it may be, A, B, I will write on the blackboard. Each person can make a differences. One person cannot make a differences. Each person can make differences. A is the correct option. A, each person. I am writing only the answer, ma. Fun only. You just tick off it. A meeda tick cheyandi ante. Can make a differences. Each person, not one person. Okay. ఒక పర్సన్తో సాధ్యం కాదు. ఆ పోయంలో కూడా మనం నేర్చుకుంది అదే. ఎవ్రీ నోట్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ సింఫోనీ. ఎస్. వన్ నోట్ ఈజ్ నో. ఈచ్ నోట్, ప్రతి ఒక్క నోట్. ఏ. ఎవ్రీ నోట్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. in a symphony. The third one is there are many books in the library. Each book is made of many words. Yes, ప్రతి ఒక్క బుక్స్ లైబ్రరీలో ఉంటాయి, కానీ ఈచ్ వర్డ్, ఒక వర్డ్ ఎన్నో అర్థాలు, దిస్ మెనీ వర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి. B1 is right option. Each book is made of many words. Next, fourth one. Each of us can contribute to make the world loving and peaceful. One person does not make differences. Each person, each of us can contribute to make the world. This is B, this is again A. Make the world lovingly and peaceful. The fifth one is again, every drop of water is a part of ocean. Sea and oceans are not made up of salt water. No, every drops of water is a part of ocean. So in the poem also, what we have learned here in the poem, first, each grain of sand says one grain does not make a mountain, but it is a oka grain to mountain చేయకపోయినా there is no land, so it is present. మనకి ఏం కావాలి? The grain must be there, so the land must be there. So this is the poem I explained you. Next, after that, this is the explanation of the poem. And ikkada manaku right explanation, you got it, no? So you are not understanding, once again I'll explain you in the Telugu also. Why? Because ikkada endante okka chukka neelu unna lekappoyina endi example ikkada water, that may be music, that may be books, but if there is one word differences, is there is nothing. Oka brick unna bricks, water, grain, notes, word, bricks, seed, a person, this all makes. If there is nothing. If one is there, yes, one, it makes a house. If there is nothing, there is no. So this is the poem. So what we make differences. What makes the difference about this? So here once again you also go through the poem if you are not understanding. So once you take the help of your elders or tuition teachers where you are going. So here we have marched the following also. I have did it. Next, each person can be make differences. అంటే ఈ యొక్క రెండు ఆప్షన్లో ఒక ఆప్షన్ చూస్ చేయాలి మనం. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంది? ట్రూ, నిజాం ఏందో. Each person can make a difference, one person cannot make the difference. Every note is important in symphony. One note make a symphony. There are many books in the library. Each book is made up of many words. Each of us can be contribute to make the world loving and peaceful. One person does not make a differences. Every drop of water is a part of ocean. Sea and ocean are made up of salt water. Which one is true? We are writing on the blackboard. I wrote on the blackboard, children. So you just tick off. So మీరు టిక్ చేసుకోండి జస్ట్ ఇది. ఏ దగ్గర ఏ ఉంది కదా టిక్, ఏ దగ్గర బి దగ్గర, ఏ దగ్గర జస్ట్ యూ టిక్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. ఓకే. సో నౌ చిల్డ్రన్ we have been completed 14 lessons in our English, as well as in the science also we have completed the half of the lessons. So till now there is no response. మీకు ఇంత కూడా కొంచెం కూడా మీరు చదువుతురా చదవట్లేదా అది మీకే తెలవాలి. సో వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ ఫర్ యూ, హార్డ్ వర్క్. సో యూ జస్ట్ కీప్ దిస్ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అండ్ బై ద బుక్స్ అండ్ రీడ్. వై ఆర్ యూ taking easy or not taking books? Just you are taking easy for that. If you take easy, it is for yourself only, it is meeke nashtam jarugutundi. So please say to your parents to take the books. Request your parents. Why? Because with a little bit books only you can be read. So this is 5th class, next year 6th class you are going. So children, my word and స్వార్థం ఏం లేదు ఇందో చెప్పడానికి, just for getting for you only, to get the knowledge as well as to read and telling for you. So thank you children. I leave my class now. Thank you very much.